Hop into the 2021 Jeep Grand Cherokee. With less than 5,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. The Grand Cherokee keeps you safe, connected, and entertained while you explore your world in confidence and refined luxury. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: navigation system, keyless entry, V6 cylinder engine, heated mirrors, remote engine start, power liftgate, backup camera, wood grain interior trim, satellite radio, fog lamps. Take control of the journey in comfort and style. Get into the Grand Cherokee.